Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be showing you how to change your name on Facebook. Whether you've recently gotten married, want to switch to your real name from a nickname, or just need to update your profile, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. 1. Access your Facebook settings. Open Facebook on your mobile device. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, select Settings Privacy, then click Settings. 2. Navigate to Account Center. In the left sidebar, find Account Center and click on it. Next, click on Profiles. 3. Edit your name. Locate your account under Profiles, click on Name. Enter your new name and click Review Change. 4. Review and save. Double-check your new name for accuracy. If everything looks good, click Save Changes. 5. Additional tips: you can only change your name once every 60 days, so choose wisely. If you encounter any issues, fill out the form to let Facebook know. Remember that your name must adhere to Facebook standards.